I've been asked to have a look at this 24 CDI. It's overheating, and somebody's told them the pump is knackered. Anyway, the pump is working fine. It's just a bit of a blockage in the heat exchanger. What's it on now? Okay, a bit more then. So what I've done is drained it down, filled it up again to 2.5, and I drained it again. Now by pressurizing it to 2.5, just increases the pressure, and then when you open the drain up, pushes the water through really rapidly, and if there's any debris inside, it moves it on. Now to be honest with you, this boiler needed a good power flush, and the customer didn't want to spend that much money on it. Anyway, I repaired it for them. It's a temporary repair, so it'll keep on going for about another couple of months, and hopefully by then they can save some money up and buy a new boiler. Or it might just carry on for a couple of years. You just never know. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. And keep smiling, people.